Hi, this video is on how I'm creating the new grid layout for the book pages. So the first thing I have to do is go in and make sure all the posts that are connected with the book page are in the correct category. So I'm on where good ideas come from, and I only have two more posts to go through. So I'm in post here, all posts, and I've got chapter 8. Going to search for that. Here it is here. I go into edit. And one of the first thing I do is you don't want all of the glossary words on the page. So I click those off. And then I've created this book page here where good ideas come from book. I click on that, update. Go back to all post. And this is the last one. Again, we're just going to click on all of these. Update. And then what we're going to do is all of the pages now or all of the posts are in that category. I'm going to go down to Essential Grid. And I'm going to go to page 3. And the first thing I'm going to do is rename this because this is the one I used for. Sorry, it's just being really funny right now. Okay, we're going to call it the Innovation Book page. I'm going to go up here and save it. I'm going to go back to Essential Grid, and what I want to do is copy that. So go right here, copy. Try going to be on page 4. Should be this one right here. Let's see. Yes, it's this one. So I'm going to rename this Where Good Ideas Come From Book Page. And I keep that, and then we're going to just change the source because it's under innovation here. So we're going to change it to Where Good Ideas Come From Book. Come up here, save grid. And then we're going to go to pages. I'm going to edit this with Cornerstone. And I haven't gotten your 100% approval on this yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a section. And from there, I'm going to... Now, if you approve this, all I'll have to do is go in and delete this section above here completely. So we're going to look for that grid, which was Where Good Ideas Come From book. And you can see it's coming up here in kind of a cobble look, but that's what it does when you have pictures on some and not others. So I'm going to save this so we can go in and actually look at the page live and see what it's looking like. So I'm going to go to book list. So I didn't want you to have to wait while Cornerstone loaded. So here we are on the page. This is how it's set up before with all of this that I had done. And then this is how it's set up with the grid. So you've got all of this with the read more. And then you can click on page 2, 3, and so on. So I'll wait to hear from you. The way this is set up, we can just continue to duplicate that particular grid layout that I created. And then when you write new post, or after I get all of the old ones done this way, if this is how you want to do it, whenever you write a new post, you just have to make sure it's for the category of one book. And that's it. From there, I can create the grid for that book, and it's just as simple as putting in the putting in that grid thing here. So anyway, that's it. Thanks.